Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking you along on a beautiful journey through Düsseldorf, Germany. I had a short layover, so I decided to explore the city, and honestly, I wasn't expecting it to be this peaceful and beautiful. Let's see what I discovered in just one day. My first impression of Düsseldorf was how clean, calm and organized everything is. The wide streets, beautiful buildings and fresh air instantly made me want to keep walking. One thing I really loved is that every corner feels picture perfect. Whether it's the architecture, the trees or the little cafes, the city has such a relaxing atmosphere. This beautiful canal is one of Düsseldorf's most famous spots. Walking along the water with rows of trees on both sides feels incredibly peaceful. If you're someone who enjoys slow travel and exploring on foot, you'll definitely love this place. I also came across this stunning historic church. The architecture is absolutely beautiful and shows the rich history of the city. Even if you're not visiting for religious reasons, it's worth stopping to admire the incredible design and peaceful surroundings. After exploring, I spent some time walking through the shopping streets and looking around the city center. As always, finding halal food is important for me, and thankfully there are several halal restaurants in Düsseldorf. I enjoyed a delicious meal before continuing my walk. And that's how I spent my day exploring Düsseldorf. Even with limited time, this city left a wonderful impression on me. If you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next travel video.